Skullcandy. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Brian Miller Tech channel. Today, we're talking about the Skullcandy Crusher Evos. So, the only reason why I have this with me today is because one day, me and my friend Ethan went to Best Buy, and we were just, Best Buy is a tech wonderland. You go there, you look at stuff, and you wish you could buy everything. But me and him were just looking at headphones, and we passed the Skullcandy section, and we pretty much were just trying every headphone there. We tried the Sony XM4s, we tried, obviously AirPods Max, because, it's the flex machine. So me and Ethan passed by the Skullcandy section, and we saw that these were called the Crusher Evo. So we decided to try them out, and there's literally nothing like this. Basically, what these have, as you can see, it says right here, feel the bass tuned to you. Well, yeah, basically, these have haptic motors in the ear cups that vibrate on your head for extreme bass. And let me tell you, this is the best bass I've ever heard in my life. So I'm very excited to try these out personally, and I'm going to unbox it today. This will be the first unboxing on the channel. And to help me unbox this, we have the beautiful rainbow butter knife. We should see if that works or not. Perfect. Oh, sorry, that was loud. Get that wrap off. Now first, let me read what's on here. These have 40 hours total battery, which is pretty sick. I hope if that's true, that's gonna be awesome. Adjustable bass you can feel, as you can see right there, has the bass slider. So if it's too much, you can always turn it down to either literally no haptic bass at all, like just the tuning bass of the drivers, or all that haptic bass, which I might be up there because I like it so much. But anyway, yes, it also has tile support, so it's compatible with the Tile app, which is pretty good. And it has the app that you can use for personalized sounds. So I don't know if that's really a gimmick or not. I'll try it out and see if it makes a difference. But let's turn it around. I was saying, like 40 hours battery life and rapid charge. So if you charge these for 10 minutes, you get 3 hours, which is pretty nice. Call, track, and volume control, and it has assistant support. So if I'm using an iPhone, it'll have a Siri support, and if I have, and if I have an Android device, Google Assistant should work just fine. All right, well, let's open these things. How do you? Oh, okay. This is flat. Ooh. Very fancy, very nice looking. It tells you all the controls from the get-go, which I like a lot. Let's see. Ooh. So it comes with a carrying bag, which is very nice. Very rough feeling. It feels like a backpack you would use as a kid, which I was homeschooled. I wouldn't know that. I wouldn't really know much about that, but the nice Skullcandy logo. I'm digging it. All right, we'll put that to the side. Oh, what else did we get? User guide. Yeah. Oh gosh, does it fold out? No. Okay. It just tells you everything you need to know about the Crusher Evos, which obviously should be in there. That's the side. This I'm guessing should be the cable. Oh, well, I just ripped it. Whatever. It's just a box. All right, even more. Probably like 2-year global warranty. Oh, cool. Hey, an aux cable. I love that. I'll be probably using this with my PC, and as I suspected, the charging cable with the Skullcandy logo on there. Nice touch. All right. Anything else in this box? No? Okay. Out the way. Let's open this thing. Ooh, it feels fuzzy in here. Hold on. Look at that. Huh. Hey, they got pouches for your cables too. This is nice. Like, I would wear this as a mitten. It feels nice. Alright, whatever. Put that on the floor. But my floor's clean, don't worry about that. Plastic insert for safety reasons. Hey, they have full swivel. That's pretty nice. So these feel really, really good in the hand, not gonna lie. Build quality seems pretty good. Stretching, it's good. I feel these would probably be like a hot spot on my head, which that's a little bit of a bummer, but you can always just shift it around, so it should be fine. But I really like the way that these swivel, and I think you can fold them up. Okay, that's good. Like that, you put it in the bag, and then you're good to go. All right, well, let's look at the top here. It says Crusher Evo, and I'm pretty sure those are the coordinates of like the company location, I guess. I don't know, I'm not sure, but that's pretty cool. These just look really, really like clean and nice. And I picked the light gray version because, well, I like lighter colors usually. I know my Beats are all black just because, well, the black ones are only in stock in my area. So I got those, but these are just really, really nice. So let me pair this to my phone, and then we'll continue from there. All right, I'm back. So the app on Android is pure trash. Okay, it would not detect my Crusher Evos at all. So basically I just gave up and pulled out the iPad and installed the iPhone app, and now it's working on this, so that's good. But anyway, the app is pretty nice looking. It gives you helpful like tips, and like it unlocks some extra features for your headphones, including the set up personal sound, which I will do that in off screen in a second, just so I can tell you the difference if I hear anything. But there are 3 EQ settings, which there's music, there's podcast, and then there's movie. So basically, they just changes it based on the content you either watch or listen to. So I'll probably just keep it on music the entire time because, well, look at that low end all the way up. I like that bass, so we'll keep it there. But let me go ahead and set up personal sound. I'll be right back. All right, so I've set up the personal sound. So now we're going to have the music test, the important aspect of all this. So we're going to go to... We're going to go to Apple Music over here. And let's see, which one should we listen to first? I have just the one. Homicide. DC the Dawn. There it is. All right. Let's get this started. Turn the volume. This is with the bass slider all the way down. All right. Okay, so what I've noticed so far with the bass slider all the way down and with personal sound on, the trebles and the mids are actually pretty clear and pretty intense so far with the tuning, like without the bass slider. So that's what I've noticed so far. So we're going to turn the bass slider all the way up now and see how that's going to go. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh. So looked out to the bigger side. Ooh, okay. Hi, okay. Ooh, whew. Oh my gosh, man. It's rocking my brain at the moment. I need a minute. Okay. You know what? Let me just say this. If you're an audiophile, you're going to absolutely hate these headphones. Point and simple. These headphones are going to suck for you because they're not that deep, rich bass that, like, you know, some audiophile headphones give, that deep and rumble. But these are just like, these are for fun, you know. I'm a fun, bass-loving, heavy guy. These are exactly what I've been looking for. And let me just say it. I freaking love these headphones right now. All right, let's try a different song. Okay, let's see. Recently added shirt. Let's see what my fiance's... okay, you know what? Total Eclipse of the Heart, because why not? With the bass slider all the way up. I know this is not a bass-heavy song at all, but why not? Let's actually skip forward a little bit. Like, even the, like, kick drum, you can feel it. It's like shaking your head, and it's just... These are amazing. Turn around. Okay, all I'll say is the guy on this song, I hope he got paid a lot because, you know, he's not even credited at all, but he just adds so much to the song. But all right, but man, I really like these. These are my dream headphones. I'll just say that these are my dream headphones. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with bass, but I am. And audiophiles, they just hate it, in my opinion. Like, every time I see someone with audiophile and they review headphones that have too much bass, they count it as a downside, and I'm like, my guy, no. Bass are the upside to all music, which I know that's not true. It's a very closed-minded mindset. I'm only slightly kidding, but I really love these, and I'm so glad I got these, and I'll be continuing to listening to them, and then I'll have a review up in about a week, but this is just an unboxing and first impressions, and the first impressions are pretty nice. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a little quick video for y'all to digest on your weekend, so I'll have more content coming out, obviously, soon, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you liked the video, and like it if you liked it, and dislike it if you didn't. That's okay with me. Tell me what I did wrong in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.